What's going on, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to show you how to find a correct color for your model cars. So there's a lot of people out there, especially doing NASCAR or any kind of car you want to do in a particular paint scheme, or say you find a car on the internet that has a color that you like but you don't know what color it is, and you're trying to figure out what color it is and what is exactly close to it. So what we got here is Spot Models. Spotmodels.com. They are from European, but they do ship all around the world. I actually just placed an order from these guys later on today, but you'll see that in the later video. But one thing about these guys' website, they actually have right here, you can see on the upper right left hand corner of your screen, well, kinda on your website, is color finder. Go ahead and click on that and check this out. This is a color finder, and you can select any color and you can customize if you want, and you can choose what color, what kind of darkness or whatever. And I can see it tells you a match, like zero paints is 60 or 96.34% of a match, and it shows you the color code. So the bottom part of the color next to the flat, it says it is the actual color of the zero paints, and then the upper corner of the square is the color that you selected. So if you want to figure out on the color of the car you want to choose, so we're gonna go to our files here. We're gonna choose, I don't know, like this pickup truck. I want to do this pickup truck. I want to, you're gonna select, you're gonna pick a spot. So we're gonna check right there. Oh, my bad. There we go. We're gonna do it there. And look at this. There is the colors right here that it has found. And I'm not really sure. Oh, zero paints. Zero paints is a good match. Street blisters. I mean, whatever. It comes up with a bunch of Tamiya ones. It comes down to, all these colors that are, closely matched, but the top match ones are way up top. So like Street Blisters is 98% of a match, which is very cool. And you can find similar matches all the way down to 89%, down to 88%, whatever. But it's very cool. So I want to find something else. I want to do this truck. This truck's pretty cool. So we're just gonna click on the picture. And we got the color right there, and look at this. We got zero paints, 96.84% of a match. And you got other matches on here as well, which is super cool. Now for your NASCAR guys, because NASCARs are obviously, you have to have that particular color. So say you want to do Blaney's Menard's car. You can click on his car, and right there. Now, only thing about this, if you click on a car, you want to make sure the lighting is good. So you can click anywhere on a picture, and it will show you. So you guys can see the color changed to yellow. So you want to make sure you do click the good spot, because the lighting, like particular sunlights, it can change the color. So what I do recommend, if you're doing a NASCAR, this is a Menards NASCAR, go to menards.com. Here is the website. I just took a screenshot, Menards, and their discount, 11% off discount. That's the actual color of Blaney's car. So I'll go ahead and click on that color, and there we go. There is the color. So the closest match is 99.79% is Mr. Hobby, which is this one right here. And this is be the closest match. But you can find these at other websites. And the next match is good zero paints, 99.76%, or even zero paints racing yellow. You can go with splash paints racing yellow, that is 99.55%. So it's very, very cool. Just wanted to show you guys this. I mean, this is very helpful information. Like, I'm gonna be doing this car in the future, and the color on this looks absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna select way around here where I think the color looks pretty good. It's like a brownish color. So zero paints, 94%. I mean, that's close enough. And we get your, different lightings. So you can select right there. It looks black. So make sure you are selecting on a car at a good spot where you think the light is good and the color is going to show good. Because again, as you see on this color on this car, there's a lot of shadows. So whatever little spot you pick on the car, the color is going to change significantly. So as you see here, I'm literally clicking different spots on the car and the colors do change. So when you are selecting a color from the car, make sure you are clicking the spot that you think the color looks accurate on the lighting and stuff, because every single lighting bit is going to change the color. So, but just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. This is very cool. The best one I downloaded was this one. This is actually very cool. We're actually going to select it like right here. That looks pretty cool. Or yeah, it looks better. So yeah, other matches, street blisters, zero paints. We got some Tamiya paints. I mean, it's very cool. So I hope you guys find this information helpful. I found this method a couple months ago, actually quite a few months ago, but I totally forgot to make a video. So if you are looking for a particular vehicle that you want to, you know, get a very similar color to, but you don't know what matches, this is it, guys. I'll be leaving a link to this particular spot, the color finder. I'll be leaving this link in the description down below. And go ahead and save it to your phone or tablet or laptop. That way you always have it, and it's a really good feature. And if you want to mess around here, you can go ahead and select different colors. So you can want like a cool like baby blue or navy, like I don't know, like sky blue. You can change the darkness and the lightness. I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff from here. You can make a custom color and you can just find it through here. It's very cool. So I basically just made like a Porsche color. so it's very cool. But go ahead and mess with this, guys, and find some pictures. Again, if you are doing a NASCAR, just go ahead and find that sponsored NASCAR, like Blaney's, you know, Menards. Just go to the website. Visually, the website will be on there. Or the way I found on the Horizon Hobby NASCAR that I did. I thought I took a screenshot right here. I did. So the Horizon Hobby NASCAR I built a few months ago, I took a screenshot of the Horizon Hobby website, stuck the blue on there, and then here is the blue. But I went for the splash paints instead. But again, if you want the Horizon Hobby blue, go ahead and select that. And I mean, closest match is gonna be the Tamiya spray can. Very, very cool. And yeah, it's a really, really cool feature to have, and it's gonna be helpful. But all right, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next video, we'll catch you guys next time.